Hi guys, today we're going to look at section 2 which covers the major types of computer systems. Let's get started. Supercomputer. Alright, let's see what is a supercomputer. A supercomputer is a large computer with a higher level of performance compared to a general purpose computer. The performance of a supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operations per second instead of millions of instructions per second. An example of a supercomputer is the Cray computer. They're not portable, of course, because of their size. So next one we're going to look at is mainframes. Mainframe computers or mainframes are computers used primarily by large organizations for critical applications, bulk data processing such as census, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and transaction processing. An example of a mainframe computer is the International Business Machines enterprise system. They're not portable, again, because of their size. So the next one we're going to look at is desktop systems. A desktop system is a desktop computer, a personal computer designed for regular use at a single location on or near a desk or table due to its size and power requirements. The most common configuration has a case that houses the power supply, motherboard, a printed circuit board with a microprocessor as the central processing unit, CPU, memory, bus, and other electric components. This, this storage, usually one or more hard disk drives, optical disk drives, and in early models, a floppy disk drive. A keyboard and mouse for input, and a computer monitor, speakers, and often a printer for output. The personal computer case may be oriented horizontally, which is desktop right, or vertically tower bottom right, and placed either underneath, beside, or on top of a desk. So on the right, you can actually see a picture of a desktop computer. All right. So the next one we're going to look at is mobile devices. A mobile device or handheld computer is a computing device small enough to hold and operate in the hand. Typically, any handheld computer device will have a liquid crystal display, which is called LED, or a light emitting diode LED flat screen interface, providing a touchscreen interface with digital buttons and keyboard, or physical buttons along with a physical keyboard. Many such devices can connect to the internet and interconnect with other devices, such as car entertainment systems or headsets via wireless fidelity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, or near-field communications. Examples of mobile devices are laptops, notebooks, netbooks, smartphones, tablets, and game consoles. These devices are referred to being portable. Right. So the last one that we're going to look at is called embedded devices. An embedded device is an object that contains a special purpose computing system. The system, which is completely enclosed by the object, may or may not be able to connect to the internet. Embedded systems have extensive applications in in consumer, commercial, automotive, industrial, and healthcare markets. Radios, watches, cell phones, microwaves, ignition systems, and answering machines are examples of embedded devices. These devices are referred to being portable. And on your right, you can see some pictures of embedded devices. So that's the end of section 2, which we looked at the major types of computer systems. We have the supercomputer, we have mainframes, we have desktop systems, we have mobile devices, and we have embedded devices, and we also looked at some examples. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for section 3.